Hey guys, what's up? It's Mel here. Thanks for checking in. And in today's video, I'm super excited because we're going to be checking out April's BoxyCharm. So this is by far my favorite box that I've ever gotten. It is so fun and the products in here are amazing. And it's perfect for warm coming months. Sunshine months, that's what I mean. I don't know. And the theme for this month's box is Peace, Love, Boxy, and it's festival themed. So if you're getting ready to go to a festival and you got this box, just keep watching to see a look I do with the awesome palette and the rest of the products in here. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But if you want to see how to get this beautiful look, then just keep watching. Alright, so one of the products in the box are these Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brushes. They're super cute, super colorful. You get 2 eyeshadow brushes and then you get a small contour face brush. These go for $28. So this small contouring brush I'm going to use to contour more of my face. So any bronzer you want to use, I already put my main base bronzer on, but now I'm just going to go in with another bronzer or contour color that you want to use. And I'm just going to hollow out my cheeks. This is like the perfect shape to get in there. Like, look at that. I like it a lot. So yeah, this is a really great brush, and then I will show you the other 2 brushes when I do my eye look. So next product is my favorite product in the box, and I definitely mean this when I say this. This is the #1 highlighter in my life now. I am so impressed by this. I am so blown away. I cannot stop using this. It's amazing. Now this is by Artist Couture, the Diamond Glow Powder. It's a loose highlighter. I got the shade Purple Dream. Now, purple highlighter isn't what I usually go for, and it doesn't even look purple. It's like a peach tone, but it's like a duochrome, so it's peach looking, but in a light, it has a light purple. Beautiful, beautiful highlight. It is amazing. These go on like butter. They're so pigmented. You can build it up. You can do a light glow. You can do a heavy glow. These go on so smooth. They do not pick up in my pores or my texture. It's flawless. I'm blown away so much. And like I said, I'm not much of a purple highlighter person, but this is so beautiful. The purpleness just like is the last worries in my mind about this highlight. This retails for $27. It's also all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. Freaking amazing. This is the first loose highlighter I have ever used. Now, it is pretty messy, but I don't care. It is so freaking beautiful. I don't care. It looks peach, but it's purple on my face. So I am going to use my favorite highlighting brush. And let the magic begin. So I kind of dip in it. Woo. You don't want too much at first because it's pretty blinding. Oh, I am just in love with this. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh. And like it is purple. Don't get me wrong, like most people probably won't go for this shade, but it's really fun for summer. Oh my god. It's sorry, I'm having purple dreams about this. It's so fun for summer and Coachella. I mean, that's the theme of this box is festivals. Coachella's coming up, music festivals, concerts. This is definitely a time where you can wear this highlight. And like I just did it lightly on my nose and it didn't show up purple, which is nice. So if you just do like a light flush of it, it won't be too purple. but I like to pack it on, and I want to be purple today. You won't be that purple. It's just like a peachy purple. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so freaking beautiful. Beautiful. I'm actually gonna just pretty much dust it all over my face. Just want to bathe in it. And like my skin, like I have a lot of texture on my cheeks. And this pleasantly does not pick up on any texture. I don't know if it's like the loose formula, like the loose powder formula, or that it's so blinding you can't see my texture. So that is an A 100% plus. Next product in the box, I'm sure you've probably seen or are so excited about, is the Pure Festival eyeshadow palette. So this is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. This goes for $36. The colors in here are amazing. So you get fun colors and you also get warm neutrals, which is freaking amazing. That means this is a pretty awesome palette. So you can take it with you, and if you're going on a festival trip or a concert and maybe you don't want to wear all the colorful ones until the day of the concert, but you want to go wear some eyeshadow out, you can do a nice warm neutral look. This is literally amazing. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow brushes in that Luxie collection. So it comes with a small shader brush that you can press on lid shades. And then it also comes with a large shader brush, which is more of like an oval shape, but I tested these out before because I couldn't wait. It actually works pretty good for the crease. So the first shade I am going to go in with is Epic. So it's this shade right here. It's a nice neutral warm. And I'm just going to buff that in as our transition. Okay, so what do I want to do next? I want to make this warmer. So I'm going to go in with Hidden Desert, which is this nice rust color right here. And we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to go just below, right into the crease. This is a beautiful color, super pigmented. I know it looks crazy and I look like a clown, but I am gonna use a smaller, fluffier brush, take that Epic shade and kind of buff the edges out. So yeah, I'm gonna take a more precise brush and I'm gonna dip into All Night. It is this dark, classic dark brown. And this is gonna go on the outer corner. I am going to add some concealer using the smaller shader brush just because my look is so smoky and dark that I really want a clean slate for our shimmer and our glitter. So I'm gonna go in with Psychedelic. So Psychedelic is this gold here, shimmer gold. I'm gonna spray my brush just so it'll pick a little more up. Sprayer. And this is gonna go in the inner corner. Ooh. Where we just put that concealer. I'm not gonna go all the way to the brown. I'm gonna stay in the front because I'm gonna put another shimmer right in the middle. And now I'm gonna go in with Sunset. Sunset is this like peachy shimmery shade right here. I'm gonna do the same thing. This time I'm gonna put this on the middle. So I'm gonna put it between the brown and the gold. Kind of blend that brown in. I didn't add any brown. I kind of just used the excess on the brush just to softly blend it in. Let's go in with Free Spirit right here. It's just like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a silver gold. I'm gonna put this on the inner corner. It's really pretty. So the next product in the box I wanted to use is by Bodyography Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. This goes for $14. This is what I got. It says it's super smooth, coconut oil infused, glides on delicate skin. So I'm just gonna put this as our eyeliner. Will have to say I have used this and I'm not too impressed. Doesn't really show up. Like, it's pretty light. I think it's just the color is light for this eye look, and like on my skin tone I'm pretty tan and I have kind of like darker skin on my eyes. It just doesn't show up for me. And it's like, I don't know. I'm not too impressed with this. So like you can't even see me using this. Maybe if you're really fair, you would like this. So pretty much just lined. That's all I can do with that. So next we're gonna do the glitter. So the glitter I want to do is 24K Magic, which is this beautiful pressed glitter. Ooh. You can probably use your fingers, but spray your brush, dip her in. And I am going to put this on the inner corner. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Oh, that's amazing. And drag it up where I put that gold. Holy crap, this is amazing. Wow. Makes me happy. But if you can get your hands on this, this would be a great addition to your collection. So I am gonna pop on mascara, maybe some eyelashes, and I'll be right back to show you the final product. Alright guys, so I just threw on some mascara. I ended up not putting on eyelashes just because this look is so beautiful. And I didn't want my lashes to overpower it and just take away. I literally love this. And last but not least, the last product in the box that I got is a holographic lip gloss by Appeal. Does this have a shade? It's called Posh, in the shade Posh. This goes for $21. It's an intense holographic shine to your lips. Argan oil infused. So it's just a clear Iridescent Holographic 1 lippy. So obviously I want to put something on my lips first, and then kind of feeling this color. Kind of feeling by Ofra the Miami Fever with the lip on top. So let's do it. I'll wait till it dries down, and then I'm going to apply it. Has a nice dofa. Looks like the glitter in here is coming off gold, which is nice. Perfect for our eye look. It's not sticky. Actually feels really nice. It doesn't have a scent. Doesn't taste like anything. It's actually pretty nice. Simple, warm look. Really happy how it turned out. So let's calculate how much this box cost. So this box cost me $21, and the overall value of this box is $126. That is freaking awesome for a $21 monthly subscription. So if you're interested more about BoxyCharm, I'll leave the link down below. Definitely check it out. It's amazing. It is definitely my favorite beauty box subscription. I've never been let down any month by it. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. But if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And you can check out more of my BoxyCharm videos that I've done in the past, and stay tuned for one each month by me. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. And please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos and want to see more by me. Thanks. Bye.